नमस्ते गाइस, आर्यन शर्मा हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू द ग्रोथ जर्नी। आज का टॉपिक है एकदम धमाकेदार क्योंकि बात हो रही है हमारे बालों की। सीरियसली, बाल गिरना एक ऐसा ट्रॉमा है जिसे हम सब कभी ना कभी गुजरते हैं। एंड ऑनेस्टली, हु डजंट वांट दोज अमेजिंग हेल्थी लशियस लॉक्स, राइट? तो आज हम बात करेंगे कि कैसे आप सिर्फ 7 दिन में अपने बाल गिरने से बच सकते हैं। So if you're tired of seeing more hair on your comb than on your head, then stick around because this video is for you. Okay, so before we jump into the solutions, पहले हम यह समझते हैं कि यह प्रॉब्लम क्यों होती है। Hair fall is a common issue that affects many of us, and understanding the root causes can help us tackle it more effectively. Kyunki guys, prevention is better than cure, right? It's always better to be proactive rather than reactive when it comes to our health and well-being. तो पहले दुश्मन को पहचानो, फिर यूज भगाओ। Identifying the enemy is the first step in defeating it. So बाल गिरने के बहुत सारे reasons हो सकते हैं। There are numerous factors that can contribute to hair fall, and it's important to recognize them. Some of the most common culprits are 1. Genetics. सबसे पहले तो genetics. Our genes play a significant role in determining the health and strength of our hair. अगर आपके पेरेंट्स या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के बाल झाटे थे, तो चांसेस है कि आपको भी ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। If your parents or grandparents experienced hair loss, there's a good chance you might too. But hey, don't worry, genetics is not the end of the story. There are ways to manage and even counteract genetic predispositions. We can totally fight it. 2. Hormonal imbalance. Next up, hormones. Hormonal changes can have a big impact on our hair health. Hormones का हमारे शरीर में बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है, including hair growth. They regulate many bodily functions, including hair growth, thyroid problems, PCOS, या फिर pregnancy के time PB hormones imbalance हो सकते हैं, leading to hair fall. 3. Stress. Stress is another major factor that can lead to hair fall. And of course, how can we forget our beloved stress? Stress can wreak havoc on our bodies, including our hair. Guys, seriously, stress is like that unwanted guest who just refuses to leave. It lingers and causes all sorts of problems. And the worst part is, it brings along a whole lot of problems, including hair fall. 4. Poor diet. What we eat has a direct impact on our hair health. Kaya, aap healthy Kate ho? No? If your diet is lacking in essential nutrients, your hair will suffer. Well, your hair might be telling you to start. Your hair needs proper nutrition to stay healthy and strong. A diet lacking in essential nutrients like protein, iron, and biotin can definitely contribute to hair fall. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining healthy hair. 5. Hair care products ke galat use. Using the wrong hair care products can also lead to hair fall. Finally, sometimes the problem isn't what's happening inside our body, but what we're putting on it. Harsh chemicals and overstyling can damage your hair. Using harsh chemicals, overstyling, and even washing your hair too often can damage your hair and lead to breakage. It's important to be mindful of the products we use and how we treat our hair. चलो गाइस, अब बात करते हैं सोल्यूशन की। आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे डीट प्लान की जो आपके बालों को देगा वो सारा प्यार और पोषण जो उन्हें चाहिए। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स सिंपलर देन यू थिंक। आपको बस कुछ छोटी छोटी चीजों का ध्यान रखना है और आपके बाल बन जाएंगे स्ट्रॉन्ग और शाइनी। We're going to talk about a 7-day diet plan that will give your hair the love and nourishment it deserves. हर दिन का प्लान अलग होगा, लेकिन सबका मकसद एक ही है, आपके बालों को हेल्थी बनाना। Day 1. Start your day with a glass of amla juice. ये आपके दिन की शुरुआत को फ्रेश और एनर्जेटिक बनाएगा। Amla is a powerhouse of vitamin C, which is amazing for hair growth. ये आपके बालों को मजबूत बनाता है और उन्हें गिरने से रोकता है। For lunch, have a bowl of salad with lots of greens and some grilled chicken or fish. ये आपके बालों को जरूरी प्रोटीन्स और विटामिन्स देगा। And for dinner, enjoy a light and healthy vegetable soup. ये आपके डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को भी हेल्थी रखेगा। Day 2. Time for some omega-3 fatty acids. ये आपके बालों को मॉइस्चराइज करता है और उन्हें ड्राई और ब्रिटल होने से बचाता है। Include some walnuts and chia seeds in your breakfast. ये आपके ब्रेकफास्ट को टेस्टी और न्यूट्रिशियस बनाएंगे। For lunch, treat yourself to some delicious grilled salmon with a side of roasted vegetables. ये आपके बालों को जरूरी omega-3 fatty acids देगा। And for dinner, how about some lentil soup? ये आपके बालों को प्रोटीन्स और फाइबर्स देगा। Day 3, zinc is another important nutrient for healthy hair. ये आपके बालों को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है और उन्हें ब्रेकेज से बचाता है। So today, include some oysters or beef in your diet. ये आपके बालों को जरूरी जिंक देगा। If you're vegetarian, no worries. You can have some chickpeas or kidney beans instead. ये भी जिंक के अच्छे सोर्सेज हैं. Day 4. Don't forget your fruits and veggies. ये आपके ओवरऑल हेल्थ के लिए भी बहुत जरूरी हैं. Have a big bowl of fruit salad for breakfast. ये आपके दिन की शुरुआत को फ्रेश और एनर्जेटिक बनाएगा. For lunch, enjoy a veggie-packed sandwich on whole wheat bread. यह आपके बालों को जरूरी विटामिन्स और मिनरल्स देगा. And for dinner, have a light and healthy salad. यह आपके डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को भी हेल्थी रखेगा. Day 5. Repeat your favorite meal from the past 4 days. यह आपके डेट को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाइएगा और आपको बोर नहीं होने देगा. Because let's be real, consistency is key. But we also need to enjoy our food, right? तो अपने फेवरेट मील को एंजॉय करें और अपने बालों को भी हेल्थी रखें. Day 6. Time to indulge a little. थोड़ा चीट मील भी जरूरी है, लेकिन हेल्थी वे में. Have a cheat meal today, but try to keep it healthy. थोड़ा डार्क चॉकलेट या अपना फेवरेट डिजर्ट एंजॉय करें. How about some dark chocolate or a small serving of your favorite dessert? यह आपके मूड को भी लिफ्ट करेगा और आपके बालों को भी हेल्थी रखेगा. Day 7 and we're back on track. आज फिर से Day 1 का डाइट प्लान फॉलो करें. Repeat Day 1 of the diet plan. यह आपके बालों को कंसिस्टेंट नोरिशमेंट देगा और उन्हें हेल्थी बनाएगा. Chapter 3. Hair care tips. Balon Co Pamper Kaiser Karain. Okay, so we've talked about what to eat, but what about how we treat our hair? Hair care is just as important as a balanced diet for maintaining those luscious locks. Don't worry guys, I've got you covered. Here are some simple yet effective hair care tips that will make a world of difference. Firstly, keep it clean. Clean hair is the foundation of healthy hair. Wash your hair regularly with a mild shampoo and conditioner. This helps to remove dirt, oil, and product buildup, keeping your scalp healthy and your hair looking fresh. But hey, don't go overboard with the washing. Overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. This frequency helps maintain the natural balance of oils in your hair. Remember your Nani and Dadi Ma telling you to oil your hair? Well, they were right. Oiling is an age-old tradition that has stood the test of time. Massaging your scalp with warm oil like coconut oil, olive oil, or castor oil can work wonders for your hair. It not only nourishes your hair, but also provides a relaxing experience. It improves blood circulation and nourishes the hair follicles, promoting healthier and stronger hair growth. Treat your hair to a luxurious hair mask once or twice a week. Hair masks provide deep conditioning and repair damage. You can either buy a ready-made mask or whip up a DIY mask at home using ingredients like eggs, avocado, or banana. These natural ingredients are packed with nutrients that your hair will love. I know, those straighteners and curling irons are tempting. They can give you that perfect look for a special occasion. But trust me, your hair will thank you for giving them a break. Reducing the use of heat styling tools can significantly improve the health of your hair. Excessive heat styling can damage your hair and make it more prone to breakage. It's best to limit the use of these tools to special occasions. Detangling your hair can be a nightmare, especially if you have long hair. But don't worry, there's a solution. Using a wide-toothed comb can help prevent breakage and minimize hair fall. Start from the ends and work your way up to avoid pulling and breaking your hair. And lastly, be gentle with your hair. Treat it with care and avoid harsh treatments. Avoid brushing your hair when it's wet, as it's more prone to breakage. Wet hair is more fragile and can easily snap. And when you're towel drying your hair, pat it dry instead of rubbing it vigorously. This helps to prevent frizz and breakage, keeping your hair smooth and healthy. Chapter 4. Stress Reduction Techniques, Stress Ko Bolo. Bye-bye. We've talked about diet, we've talked about hair care, but there's one more crucial piece of the puzzle, stress management. Because let's face it guys, stress can really mess things up, including our hair. So here are some simple yet effective techniques to kick stress to the curb. Just 10 minutes of meditation every day can make a world of difference. Find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. It's like giving your mind a much-needed vacation. Yoga is another great way to de-stress and improve your overall well-being. Join a yoga class or follow along with some online tutorials. Feeling overwhelmed? Take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold your breath for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this several times and feel the stress melt away. Nature has a magical way of calming our minds. Go for a walk in the park, sit by the beach, or simply enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Music is therapy for the soul. Put on your favorite tunes and let the music wash away your worries. Sometimes all we need is a little love and support from our loved ones. Talk to your friends and family, share your feelings, and let them know what you're going through. Outro, 7 din main baal gurne se kaise bakain the growth journey to guys. Yada humara 7 din ka plan to combat hair fall. Remember, consistency is key. Follow these tips regularly, and you'll definitely see a difference in your hair. And hey, don't expect miracles overnight. It takes time and effort to achieve those luscious locks. But trust me, it's totally worth it. So go ahead, give these tips a try, and let me know in the comments below how they worked for you. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to The Growth Journey for more amazing content. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep shining. Dhanyavad.